biggest thing with the Lions, we talk about it all the time, is they never finish and they never respond. And this week, yeah, they lost the 2 touchdowns right out of the gate, but every time else, the rest of the third quarter and the fourth quarter, they responded. So I can't be mad about that at all.
Are you worried about? Let me change direction a little bit here. Are you worried about how many injuries we're dealing with right now? I'm worried.
Not after today. I mean, who else got? Oh, so Kuda, did he go down today?
It was just cramps.
That was just cramps.
3 bits of the offensive line was out of the game today.
Yeah, but they played great, so I'm not worried about it.
What about Hutchison? I see Hutchison limping out the field.
Oh, here's the thing I want to talk about. Let me tell you a little something about myself. I know how to do the Micheal Jackson leg kick, okay? And I was saying, if he keeps doing that when he's excited, he's going to hurt himself. And look what he hurt, his right calf. I am going on record by saying Hutchison, Hutchie, as I used to like to call him before he got sacked today, hurt his calf by doing the Billie Jean kick. Breaking news on
I'm going to see you do the moonwalk. I'm going to see you do the moonwalk.
I can do it.
Sasquatch from the moonwalk.
No, that's a bummer. I hope he's okay, but I
will send $100 right now to the charity of your choice if you can moonwalk.
I can moonwalk. I'll put the video up next week of me moonwalking.
Oh shit, do it right in a second.
I will buy you the ugliest hooker.
I'm in the middle of producing a podcast, Neil.
Well, that sounds like a very legitimate.
I will buy you the ugliest hooker in Oregon if you can moonwalk across that floor.
I'll moonwalk. I'll put it up next week along with my Kirk Cousins grilling video I've been working on. Speaking of, here's a little preview of what's coming up next week, boys and girls. These are steaks done by your favorite Vikings quarterback, Kirk Cousins. And then this is a Butler, just a preview of a Butler T-bone right there.
Now that dude, I love your T-bone, baby.
I don't know. I mean, look at that. It's just, you got Cole's Cash over here. He's running good.
I think those are not really beef. I think they're them fake. What do you call them, fake burger stuff?
Actually, what they are is they're just because I bought a New York and I cooked it. But if you look at those steaks, what he did was he cut the fat out of them. It's bizarre. See
you don't do that.
See the little cuts and everything.
Oh,
it's like cut the fat out of them. That's what happened on that. But so going into the fourth quarter, we're up 29-15, which, like I said, Swift kind of swung the momentum back there at the very end, which was awesome. And then for some bizarre reason, which I don't think any of us understand, and I know the Washington Twitter was losing their minds, was Rivera goes for 2. Do you see anything behind that, Neil?
Yeah, the kicker couldn't kick. If you see him with the kick extra point, he missed. So that's
yeah. I don't know. That was bizarre.
I feel like they looked at it as, and this is just completely speculative. I feel like they looked at it as, hey, let's go for the 2 point now. It's a 1-score thing. Let's go for 2 now. So if we score another touchdown and they don't score another touchdown, we can just kick an extra point and take the lead. That is the only reasonable anything that I can come up with in my head.
Right.
Me too, Austin.
Do not trust their field goal kicker.
Yeah, I couldn't understand it. Even if you don't trust your field goal kicker, just go up to 7 points. Why are you trying to?
Yeah. Well, the first one made sense. That totally made sense. But the second one, when they tried it, you're not second, third one, right? You're on the road. Play for the tie. They're trying to play for the win. Play for the tie. But no. And then the kicker missed the extra point, so that's probably why they fucking did it.
Yeah, that actually probably helped Lions fans a lot, him missing that extra point. For me it did. It made me feel way better. And so he goes, go ahead, Neil, sorry. No, go ahead.
I was going to move on to the onside kick.
Okay, well, hold on, because we got to talk about the thing that sealed the game. Finally, was Amon-Ra St. Brown again, saves the game. What a great touchdown too, because he could have very easily been out at the 1 yard line.
Yeah, that dude's a stud.
He's the man. I mean, I'll put it up again. Look at the stats: 2 carries for 68 yards, 9 receptions, 116, 2 touchdowns. I mean, that's friggin' huge.
So do you agree with them going for it on fourth down where St. John dropped the ball versus kicking the field goal?
I was,
Because
I don't know.
That would make a 3-score game then.
I didn't agree with that, but at the same time, I don't agree with anything that they're gambling on. This analytics game that all these guys play now is
I know.
ridiculous. I'm old school. You guys are old school. Hey, you're in there, you kick the field goal, get the points, and walk away.
Yeah.
They're going to analytics. Obviously, analytics worked this time. So
I would say that I'm probably not as old school as you are.
Really?
Not in a disrespectful way. Just saying that given the situations at any point in time in the game, there's decisions that I would make as somebody who knows jack shit about football that supports what the coaching staff is doing. So I feel like I understand.
You're also a numbers guy. You're an analytical. You're an analytical mind. You're a numbers guy, so that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yes.
Yeah, that makes sense.